Hello everyone, and I am bringing to you probably the most popular costume of 2023, Cowgirl Barbie. I am going to show you like the screen accurate version. Margot Robbie was not wearing that much makeup. Well, I'm sure she was, but they made it look very natural and wearable. So we're not going to do any falsies. We're going to do like pretty much matte clean girl makeup for this. So I am taking 2 liquid blushes. These are my favorite. They're from Grande Cosmetics. They plump your cheeks so they give you more volume in your face. Then I am taking this foundation right here. It's just kind of like a natural coverage foundation from Shein. So I am just going to blend that all over my face. I was so excited to do this, but there is a part of me that was tempted to go more all out with lashes and just kind of make it my own look. But I figured that some people are gonna be doing that already, so I would stick to the natural version. Then I'm going to take my Revlon concealer and conceal these dark circles. I believe I filmed this video at like 5:30 in the morning, so I was really tired. I actually did film this video like over a month ago, so I don't know what took me so long to edit it, so I apologize for that, but I hope I get it up in time for the Halloween season. So I am going to be blending out the concealer here. So now that I'm all nice and blended, I'm gonna take more of that liquid blush and I'm gonna place it all over my cheeks. And I'm even going to place it in my eyes. As you can see, it just gives you more of a rosy glow there, and that's exactly how Margot Robbie looked. She looked very beautiful, natural, and youthful, and that is exactly what I'm going for. Every time I want a more natural look, I go with liquid blush. And then I am taking my e.l.f. setting powder. I feel like this gives me a really natural finish. It doesn't make me look over the top like I overdid it, you know what I mean? Like when I want my face to be 100% snatched, it just kind of gives me that natural look. So I am just setting everything in place, including the eyelids, the jawline, and the cheekbones. We want to keep this look very matte. I am going to be wearing a blonde wig, so I need to lighten my brows a bit. It's very hard for me to lighten my eyebrows. I have very, very dark eyebrows. I always have. So I'm going to take an eyeshadow that is kind of like a taupe blonde color and fill in the rest. That way there are no gaps. Her eyebrows looked amazing in this movie. I'm not going to be that accurate. I always do my eyebrows a certain way, so please ignore this. Then with a beige, whitish eyeshadow, I'm going to wash off the brown lid color that I naturally was born with and kind of place this all over. Well, not kind of, I am placing it. So then I'm going to take a light pink eyeshadow and blend that into the crease. It did look like she had like a peachy natural light pink eyeshadow there and underneath her eyelids as well. So we're gonna do that all over, make sure the color is prominent, and use some beige eyeliner to line the waterline. Then I felt like I needed a little bit more of a weak color there, so I decided to top off that pink with that weak color just to make sure that you see that there are pink undertones. That is the whole point of this, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. I did wear blue contacts to look more like Margot Robbie. I don't look anything like her, so please don't comment that I was trying to look like her, because I'm not. Okay, then I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and placing that on my upper lash line. I am using this mascara from What's Up Beauty. It just came out, it's a new launch, so I feel like this mascara was perfect for this look because it's not clumpy at all and it gives you more of a natural look. If that's something that you're looking for, I would recommend this mascara. Then I am taking some glittery eyeshadow and placing this on my lower lid. Not sure she had this going on, but I felt like the look was in desperate need of it. Then I'm going to take the pinkest blush that I own, place that all over the cheeks very high up to give that doll-like appearance. My favorite natural lip liner is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It just looks like your lips. Like you see the center of my lips, that's the natural color of my lips, and it's matching it perfectly. Then I also have the Pillow Talk lipstick and placing that over, and this is just very natural makeup. That is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everyone's gonna be Barbie this year, whether or not you do the screen accurate look. You guys are all gonna slay. I'm so excited for Halloween. Comment what kind of Halloween looks you'd wanna see next. Bye-bye, you guys.